Hey guys, Train Buddies here. I'm Mike.
And I'm Chris.
We are here at the Erlanger Train Park again.
On a Friday night.
Friday the 13th.
Ooh.
Here at Erlanger. 4004 was near Lexington, Kentucky, around 2 hours ago. Around 2 hours and a half ago.
We don't know if it's on the move or if it's just tied down and sitting tight.
Yeah, we were looking at it on Heritage Units. The notes from the guy said, stopped. So, maybe it's gonna be there for a while. Who knows?
We shall see.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Stay tuned. We got new microphones and a different camera.
Yeah, we don't have to yell, guys.
Yeah. It got dark on us pretty quick. We weren't sure if we were going to be able to catch anything. We're testing this lighting too. This is a whole bunch of new experiences. Microphones, lighting, camera. It's a little bit hard to see that train across the street there, but
the number of this NS train is 799, we think.
the cars that are lighter in color show up pretty well, but like these tanker cars that are dark, they kind of just blend into the nighttime.
Yeah.
CPK, I don't know if that's CPKC or just CP.
I think they're just CP.
Probably is. Quite a few of them.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, there's the DPU.
Yeah,
I thought I heard one coming. CNSF. Yeah.
Alright guys, train 2. Green, nope. Gondola, I think. Alright guys, I think this is a empty coal. Maybe loaded, I can't tell from here.
Yeah, if it's loaded, it's not heaping, that's for sure.
I just heard him honk again. And it seems like he's speeding up.
And here comes the end. No DPU.
That was cool, guys. I knew there was a train coming. I'm not sure if Dad got the camera out in time for that. He was sprinting. Hopefully you got it out. Your phone camera starts pretty quick.
What?
Your phone camera starts pretty quick.
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
We almost missed this one. We were just getting ready to leave. I thought there was a train coming, but we were about to give up anyway. I don't know if you can hear me on this microphone. I'm trying to catch my breath after running to get ahead of this train.
That train is honking. The train coming, but I think it's gonna take long. That was a CPKC car. Oh my gosh. That's the CPKC, guys. That is awesome. Apparently CPKC already has their auto racks painted. That's really cool, guys. This thing's cool. Just to see that, just as I say that, a DPU.
I can hear the DPU coming up. And there she goes.
Thanks for watching this Train Buddies video.
You had a good night?
Yeah, CPKC car. Awesome. Just one.
We'll try to get that on the freeze frame for you, but I don't know about the lighting. It's been interesting tonight.
Yeah, we'll try to do a little circle sticker on that CPKC car, and maybe put a text that says CPKC, but
something. We'll try to highlight it, but
yeah,
we don't even know if it's going to show up very well.
Nope.
So, yeah, thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Train Buddies out.